Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Turnip cake is a dish that is dense with carbs and fats while lacking in protein as it uses a lot of flour and is fried in vegetable or canola oil. It is dense with calories, which makes it hard to fit into a healthy and sustainable diet, so moderation is required in order to stay within a healthy range of calories.
Let's help you make your mark.
Radishes are best served raw and are great companions to any kind of dip or dressing. Turnips are similar root vegetables that have firm, white flesh, but the greens, turnip tops, as they're called in the UK, are also edible. 7 June 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Daikon, also known as white radish, Japanese radish, Chinese radish, winter radish, and luobo, is popular in Japanese, Chinese, and other Asian cuisines. The vegetable resembles a large white plump carrot and is commonly eaten raw, cooked, or pickled. 8 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Set up your steamer by adding water to the pan and bringing it to a boil. Add the steaming rack with the turnip cake container. Cook, covered, over medium-high heat, for 1 hour, until the turnip cake is cooked through. You can test the doneness by inserting a knife into the cake and it should come out clean. 21 February 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.